established a special work committee to discuss this plan. This work committee was chaired by Tun Ahmad Sarji Abdul Hamid, the then Chief Secretary to the government. This works committee proposed a centralised federal department named Jabatan Kehakiman Syariah Malaysia or JKSM. JKSM was to be established as a coordinator of the efforts to standardise the administration of Syariah courts throughout Malaysia, which was later established on 1st March 1998. JKSM was established in 1998 by the federal government, which is under the administration of the Prime Minister's Department. The role of JKSM is to coordinate the administration of Syariah courts at the national level, while at the state level, it will assist the states with the joint service of Islamic Affairs officers, which will be headed by the Chief Syariah Judge of Malaysia. The coordination by the JKSM regarding the administration of the Syariah courts also includes the judges, Syariah prosecutors, sulu officers, as well as the physical structure of the Syariah courts. Although JKSM was established by the federal government via the Prime Minister's Department, such establishment did not revoke the conferment of jurisdiction of Syariah courts to deal with matters relating to Islamic religion among the Muslims in the Malaysian state, as any initiative and coordination made by the JKSM is still subject to the consent of each state's authority. It is highlighted that although the JKSM had been established, the Syariah courts are still under the jurisdiction of the states. The JKSM had been established to bring uniformity to Islamic law administration, for example, the Syariah courts in the states. In addition, since the headquarters for JKSM is in the Federal Territory of Kuala Lumpur, it is expected that the laws relating to Syariah courts administration of the states are modeled based on the Syariah courts of the Federal Territories. One of the objectives of the Syariah courts is to give swift and efficient treatment to each case registered in each court. Accordingly, cases registered shall go on trial within 21 days after the date of registration. The Muslims in Malaysia tend to keep their disputes private, which is not opting for the Syariah courts to dissolve legal disputes. For this purpose, JKSM has also introduced the sulu or mediation method as an alternative by any disputing Muslims to solve their problem without going to trial. This alternative was introduced first in 2001 in Kuala Lumpur and had been followed by the other states' Syariah courts ever since. Sulu is encouraged, especially in family matters, as it will save time, privacy friendly, as well as providing comfort for disputing parties to get better solution with long-term effect. Another alternative taken by JKSM was to establish Bahagian Sokongan Keluarga or BSK. BSK deals specifically with family matters and was proposed to be an enforcement unit for the Syariah court's decision relating to family matters. Failure of any disputing party to comply with the court's decision in such case will be enforced by legal action by the division. Apart from that, JKSM has also improved the recruitment and service scheme of the Syariah judges and Syariah legal officers in the Syariah courts. Some of the main role of JKSM in administrating our Islamic law in Syariah courts are handling cases in the Syariah Court of Appeal in Malaysia, drafting policies and strategies to improve the performance of the Syariah courts of the states, coordinate judicial procedures to be adopted of the states, develop, coordinate the rules and practice instructions and regulations for all Syariah officers in JKSM, states and other related agencies, and lastly, carry out research related to the Syariah legal and judicial system in accordance with our current development. Ever since, there had been many new laws that have been enacted by the JKSM to administer the Islamic law in the Federal Territories to be emulated by Syariah courts in all states in Malaysia. Some of the laws are Administration of Islamic Law Act 1993, Family Law Act Amendment 2006, Evidence Act 2005, Civil Procedures Laws Act 2005, Criminal Procedural Laws Act 2005, and Sharia Criminal Offences Act 1997. So in each state, there is a state Syariah judicial department, and JKSM will supervise its administration. The establishment of the JKSM is not meant to take away the power of each sultan or king as the head of religion, but it is a simple administrative device to streamline the administration and bring uniformity of Islamic law. The establishment of a family support division under JKSM, for example, was proposed with enforcing Syariah court decisions and also with finding husbands who failed to pay maintenance to their children and wife. This unit is created purposely to take action against a father who refuses to comply with the court's decision. As a conclusion, since Malaysia gained an independence in 1957, Syariah courts have been developed into a powerful institution with a number of substantive laws, procedural laws and other subsidiary laws. The creation of the Department of Islamic Judiciary, JKSM, is one of the major achievements in the administration of Islamic law. The creation of JKSM as a body to coordinate the administration of Islamic law is undoubtedly significant accomplishment in the history of Islamic legal system. In order to ensure that the Syariah implemented was applied fairly, Islamic law and Islamic principles that are prescribed by the Quran, the Sunnah, the juristic judgment must be institutionalized in the shape of institutions, agencies, departments, laws, and many other written forms. Syariah is indeed the law with full of justice, but justice can only be seen through a proper framework, laws and right institutions with respective powers and jurisdiction. And so I guess that is all from me. I hope you can gain something beneficial from this video and reshape on how our Syariah court system had been developed ever since our independence. That is all from me. Thank you.